Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that in our yesterday's class or in our previous class we have done the topic in the kitchen. And if you will enter in the kitchen, what do you observe besides utensils? In our previous class we have done different utensils which we use to cook and different uh, cutlery also which we use to serve the food also, and dishes also you observe in the kitchen. Apart from that, when you have to cook the food and make it more delicious, you require spices. Now what is spices? Spices is a mixture of different uh, substance or salt which makes your cooking delicious. So in our food we use different types of spices, and this is our today's topic only, that is Indian spices. Now spices are what? Spices are used to add flavor in our food. It may be Indian spices, it may be continental spices, it may be Italian spices. So different spices we have. So children, today we are going to study about different Indian spices, or a touch of spices we are going to do it. So let's start our class. Now, here you can see our spices. Now, so let's start that. So now here you can see Indian spices include a variety of spices grown across the Indian subcontinent. Now what is here? That in Indian spices means when you will talk, we will talk about Indian spices. We see different spices. As you can see in the picture, there are different spices were kept and which grow in different area of our Indian subcontinent. Means some of the spices were grown in our country, and some of the spices were grown in our subcontinent. Means the countries which are in our neighborhood. So we are knowing it, in our neighborhood we have different country, Andaman Nicobar, and then island is there, then Sri Lanka is there, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, different countries are there. So we will get different spices from different places, so many of which are native to subcontinent. Means many of the spices we will get it from our country only. For example, if I'll talk about kesar. Kesar is also is a very important spice, and it will give flavor, the delicious flavor to the dishes, sweet dishes, and that is produced in our country only, in Kashmir. So some of the dishes were produced in our country or grown in our country, and few of the spices were grown in some other country and we are importing from there. So in the picture you can see different kind of spices. So one by one we are going to take the spices in the next picture. See, now curry is not a spice but a term used by Western people. Now many often you have heard about curry leaves. Now curry is what? Curry is a common word, is used for a cuisine which is not dry, that is with a gravy base. Then we will say that the particular dish is curry. Now for this we required curry spice or curry masala which will add flavor to our cuisine. So this curry masala is grown in our country only. Now the chili pepper or red chili pepper, different kind of a chili pepper you will get it from our country. In fact, our neighborhood country or other countries are also providing us different kind of chili pepper or red chili pepper. Now chili pepper is the fruit of plant from the genus Capsicum. Now member of nightshade family. Fine. Now more you don't need to require it. Now red chili powder we are getting from, basically we are getting from our country, from Rajasthan. Rajasthan, we are getting different kind of chilies from Rajasthan, and those chilies were supplied to different part of our country. Now Andhra Pradesh is one of the world biggest producer of this chili. Andhra Pradesh, in India we have only two places where we are getting this. Andhra Pradesh, Guntur is the place in South Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, and it produced 30% of all the chilies produced in India. So Andhra Pradesh alone will contribute about 75% of chili exports. Means यहाँ पे आंध्र प्रदेश में चिली उगाते भी हैं एंड दे आर एक्सपोर्टिंग, मतलब बाहर दूसरी कंट्रीज को भी भेजते हैं. एंड 75% ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ चिली, एक्सपोर्ट जितना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमारे कंट्री में से 100 बैग्स जाता है, देन ओनली 75 बैग सिर्फ आंध्र प्रदेश से ही आता है. सो यू कैन think about it that what is the production of red chili in our country. तो चिली पाउडर के लिए यूज होता है हम कश्मीरी चिली पाउडर एंड डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ए चिलीज वी विल बी गेटिंग इन आवर कंट्री. सो नाउ विल मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट स्पाइस, वेराइटी ऑफ पेपरकॉर्न. पेपरकॉर्न और मोस्ट कॉमनली यू विल फाइंड इट आउट एज ब्लैक पेपर, काली मिर्च बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में, वी कॉल देम काली मिर्च. फाइन. इट इज फाउंड इन डिफरेंट कलर. ये पिंक कलर में होती है, ये ग्रीन होती है, ये टेलचेरी ब्लैक, malabar black and Sarawak white, means white pepper is also available. Most commonly आपने रेड पेपर सुना होगा, ब्लैक पेपर सुना होगा एंड वाइट पेपर सुना होगा. बट वी हैव डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ पेपरकॉर्न. मतलब अगर मैं काली मिर्च बोलूँ, ब्लैक पेपर बोलूँ, पिंक पेपर and white pepper, these are the few of the variety of pepper in our country and in the world also. Mostly Italian dishes जितनी भी होती है, like pizza, pasta, noodles and all these Chinese food जो होता है, in that they were using white pepper they were using. and जितनी भी Italian dishes होती है, pasta, macaroni and all these, then in that we were using this peppercorn that is quite often spice. और अगर आपको कफ एंड कोल्ड हुआ है, nowadays कितना हम लोग काढ़ा वाड़ा पीते हैं, तो in that काढ़ा also this peppercorn is very healthy. तो वहाँ पे भी हम ये peppercorn को we were using it. So variety of peppercorn we were using in our day to day life. तो what are the different color you can see on the picture. पिक्चर पे देखिए पिंक कलर का है, ग्रीन है, ब्लैक है, and then we have white peppercorn also. So we have different kind of a peppercorn. So that is quite common in our Indian spices. Indian spices में ये peppercorn is making a biggest place. So आपके Indian dishes में भी, Chinese में भी, if we'll talk about Thai dishes, Italian dishes, तो different continental dishes में भी हम ये peppercorn को use करते हैं. Now next we will see, now this is cumin known as jeera in India. Now these are cumin seeds and which is oftenly called jeera in India and can be purchased as a whole seed. हम इसको seeds की form में खरीदते हैं, ठीक है. You can see the pictures and you might be often you will find it out this herb in your kitchen very easily. Now we purchased as whole seeds or in powder form. See, we can purchase in two ways. We can purchase the seeds and then we can purchase in a powdered form also. And this is comes from a dried white fruit of an annual herb that is tropical plant grown in many parts of the world. Now the seeds are bitter and have an aromatic odor. मीन्स उसकी खुशबू जब भी होता है भुना जीरा हम भून करके एंड देन वी विल मेक अ पाउडर ऑफ इट, तो उसकी स्मेल जो ओडर होता है, जो स्मेल होती है, फ्रेगनेंस होती है, दैट इज वेरी एरोमेटिक, बहुत अच्छी होती है. दैट इज सूदिंग स्मेल. हाँ, हम कुछ सूंघते हैं ऐसे, वाह व्हाट ममा इज कुकिंग. सो दैट इज एरोमेटिक. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू जब कोई लगती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एरोमेटिक ओडर. फाइन. Now we'll come to our next, that is cinnamon. Cinnamon ऐसे लकड़ी जैसा होता है, लकड़ी जैसा. If you will find it out in your kitchen, अपने किचन में आपको देखने को easily you will get it. Cinnamon. And हम क्या बोलते हैं, ये क्या लकड़ी जैसा क्या है, ये क्यों डला है. And that is quite important herb. And it is very good for immunity as well as it is very good flavor, gives very good flavor to rice dishes, rice, pulav, biryani. In all these dishes we will use this true cinnamon or Sri Lankan cinnamon. Fine. Now cinnamon derived from the bark of a hardy evergreen tree and is native to India. What is known as the true cinnamon, or sometime it is called Sri Lankan cinnamon, is the dried inner stem bark of Cinnamonium verum. Means that is a kind of a tree. उसका आपने छाल निकाल ली, छाल के अंदर, छाल के जो अंदर वाला हिस्सा होता है, बार्क के अंदर वाला हिस्सा होता है, that is nothing but the cinnamon only. तो हम will get cinnamon from there. तो इसको हम basically we use this cinnamon in, as I told you, rice की जो dishes होती है like pulav, and then we have Hyderabadi biryani, and then we have other dishes like, in fact the cinnamon is used in sweet dishes also. हम sweet dishes में भी cinnamon को use करते हैं, in many sweet dishes also, to give flavor to them. इसको powder form में we will use it, make it powder of it, and we used it in sweet dishes. So that is the qualities of cinnamon. Now we'll come to our next spice. See, different spices you will find it out, like you will get it coriander, you will get it turmeric powder, you will get it cinnamon sticks, you will get it other spices also, red chili, black peppercorn, and these kind of different spices. Now these spices will provide different flavor and they blend to extract the nutrients and bind the palatable form. Means they'll make the dishes quite interesting, very nice, and you must enjoy those dishes while eating it. अगर खाना अच्छा नहीं है तो you want to eat it? No, you never want to eat it. So what these spices do? These spices provide you that पर्टिकुलर फ्लेवर. जब आप हीट करते हो, पैन में घी डालते हो या कुकिंग ऑयल डालते हो, एंड देन यू आर एडिंग दी स्पाइसेस इन योर फूड, तो वो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्लेवर आपके फूड को देते हैं. दे विल गिव अ रिचनेस टू योर फूड, एंड दैट इज यूज टिपिकली इन हीटेड ऑयल टू एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. ठीक है, एक्सट्रैक्ट मतलब उसमें से जो भी अच्छी चीज़ है वो आपको एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए आपको कुछ मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको पढ़ना है, पढ़ाई करनी है, तो आपको मेहनत करनी होती है. जस्ट लाइक दैट स्पाइसेस के अंदर से जो उसका रिचनेस, जो उसकी फ्लेवरनेस है, इफ़ यू वांट टू एक्सट्रैक्ट इट, उसको बाहर निकालना है, तो आप पैन में ऑयल हीट करेंगे एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड दी स्पाइसेस इन दैट, और वो ऐड करने के बाद एंड देन यू विल यूज दैट particular spices, or that will bring a richness in your food. आपके फूड को और अच्छा बना देता है. So these are our topic. अभी ये हमारा टॉपिक है आज का. We are going to touch of spice. We'll do it today. We'll see different spices from your book also. As I hope you all have enjoyed with this pictures also, that different spices you have seen. Now what you can do? One activity you can do here, then that go inside the kitchen of your house, your home, and learn name of any five spices. Learn the name of any five spices. Now this will be your activity related to this chapter, and that we are going to do it in our online classes, and then we will find it out how many spices you have learned. So now children, now we will do exercise from our book, and we'll see what are the different spices have been given in your book. So let's start that. So children, let's start our activity or exercise from our book. Now we have to do this page number 45, that is touch of spice, and as you can see different spices which have been given in your book. Now spices are added to food to make it taste better. Now given below in your book you have different spices. You have to write its name and identify the part of the plant these spices come from. You have to identify the part of the plant from where these spices comes from. Now using the words given in the help box. Now help box will also given in your book to find out the answer. Now the first one is, that is a picture of a leaf. Can you make any guesses? That curry is there. Now curry, which part of that curry you are eating? Yes, curry leaves we are using in our food. Curry leaves we were using in our food. So the first one will be your leaf. First part will be your leaf. Leaf part of curry leaves we were used for making different dishes. Now leaf part of curry leaves. Basically curry leaves are used in South Indian dishes. For example, if you have to make sambar, if you have to make coconut chutney, if you have to make the chutneys, different kind of a chutneys which South Indian were eating. So you required your that curry leaves, that is the basic part. And what are the North Indian dishes in which we were using that curry leaves? That is your that is your poha, and in Gujarati dishes upma, and these kind of dishes we were using that curry. Now curry leaves we were using. So here the question is, which part of that curry you use to cook the food, that is leaf. So the answer is leaf. So what will be the answer of number 1? That is your leaf. Part of curry leaf you were using to cook the different dishes. Now second is peppercorn is there. Now peppercorn means which part is this? Which part is this? Fine. Tell me which part is of this peppercorn. Is it seed or is it fruit? Is it seed? And just now I have told you in the PPT. Just now I have told you in the PPT which part of this we were eating. So that is a fruit. Now peppercorn is a fruit. Peppercorn is, black pepper is fruit. Fruit part of that plant which you were eating, or which we were using to make our dishes. That is black pepper. Black pepper is also a fruit. Then white pepper is also fruit. Pink pepper is also there. That is also kind of a fruit. Now the next is next picture is there. That is seeds. That is the seeds of methi and other thing was there. So that is your seeds. Number 3, seeds of methi seeds, and then jeera seeds or that cumin seeds we were using to cook, to give tadka, to give a specific flavor to that food. So we were using that seeds of that methi that we were using. You can see in the picture, यहाँ पे देखेंगे, we can see ये seeds हम use करते हैं, and this is your fruit and this is your leaf. Leaf, fruit and seeds. So these parts we were using to cook our food. Now match the names of the picture to their spices. Now picture of the spices, you can see in your book, picture of the spices have been given. Along with that you have been given with a name. Now all these, regarding all these spices I have told you just below, before in the PPT. So right now one by one we'll take it, and then you are supposed to tell me that what is the first picture. Now what is the first picture? I'll show you that picture. What is that first picture? See this, the first picture is what? ये लकड़ी जैसा अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया था. What was that? वो क्या था? Yes, that is cinnamon. Fine, that is cinnamon. और हिंदी में इसको हम बोलते हैं cinnamon, and हिंदी में we'll call it दालचीनी. इसको हम दालचीनी बोलते हैं. And where we are going to use, we will use cinnamon in the dishes of rice. Along with that we were using it in sweet dishes also. Powdered form of cinnamon is used in sweet dishes also. So the cinnamon is quite important spice of very important spice of India. That is cinnamon. Basically that is used in Hyderabadi biryani, and in dessert also, like rasmalai and all these dishes. We were using this cinnamon in powdered form. So now next picture is what? Okay, now the next picture is very important. मैंने आपको एकदम starting में बताया था केसर, regarding केसर. Now number 2 is that only. And now केसर we will call it in Hindi, and in English we call them saffron. What we call them? Saffron. We call them saffron. Now what does this saffron do? Saffron will do a particular reddish color or orange color to the food, and that is very good for sweet dishes. Like in rasmalais we were using that saffron strings to decorate that rasmalai, and in different dishes we were use this saffron. Now from where we get it, this saffron? From our country in India we are getting saffron from Jammu Kashmir. From Kashmir we are getting this saffron, and most commonly will found this saffron over there. Now what is this saffron? Saffron is a thin strands of flowers only will be there. So this saffron we have done. Now number 3 is, you can find it out. Now number 3 is cardamom. Cardamom is what? What is cardamom? If you will see picture in your book, if you will see the spices, the third spices, that is what? That is cardamom. Now cardamom is what? That is इलायची. इलायची powder भी हम use करते हैं in sweet dishes also, in चाय also. मसाला चाय बनाते हैं, then we oftenly use इलायची चाय वाली चाय बनाते हैं ना, cardamom. What is the Hindi name of cardamom? Is इलायची. And आपको ये सारी चीजें you might have heard about it in the kitchen, but you are not knowing the English name or the names in English. You were not aware of it. आपको इलायची पता होगा. I'm damn sure that you all have seen that इलायची. सबने मसाला चाय बनाते हुए we were using this cardamom, that you all have seen, but you are not knowing the English name of that. That is cardamom. Now the next 4th spice that I have shown you, तड़का लगाने के लिए यूज करते हैं, and that spice we were using in the powdered form also. That is what? Cumin seeds. That is what? Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds. Now we'll take our fifth. Now cumin seeds are used as in chaat masalas also. We fry that, we will roast that cumin seeds and then make it into powder form, and then we were using in the different dishes like dahi bada and the different dishes, different Indian dishes we were using that cumin seeds. Now the next picture is of very important, that is turmeric. Number 5 is very important, that is turmeric. Now why this turmeric is very important? Because turmeric is antibiotic. Now what is antibiotic? If you will drink a bit of turmeric in milk every day, that will make your body immune. It will work like an antibiotic in your body. And if you will have any kind of a कहीं पे भी आपको चोट लगी हो, and that can be easily cured by eating or by drinking this turmeric in any form. You can use in vegetable, you can roast it and then you can eat it. You can add that turmeric in milk, and then दूध वाला, हल्दी वाला दूध होता है ना, जो बोलते हैं हल्दी वाला दूध पीना चाहिए. that will make your इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग, बॉडी स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. बॉडी स्ट्रॉन्ग करने का क्या मतलब है? बॉडी स्ट्रॉन्ग करने का मतलब है लाइक हल्दी वाला जो दूध होता है, हल्दी में आपका एंटीबायोटिक है जो आपकी बॉडी को इम्यून करेगा. एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग कैसे बनाएगा? बिकॉज मिल्क में ऑलरेडी कैल्शियम इज देयर. कैल्शियम दूध में रिच कैल्शियम, मिल्क में रिच कैल्शियम होता है. सो अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड एंटीबायोटिक लाइक टर्मरिक विल मेक योर immunity strong as well as your body strong. So it is very important to drink every day at least 1 glass of milk of turmeric, milk with turmeric. Now the sixth spice which is very important, that is sixth spice is very important, that is chili, because that will only provide that chatpata flavor to our food. बहुत अच्छा चटपटा तीखा, मेरा तो आज कुछ तीखा खाने का मन कर रहा है. देन यू रिक्वायर्ड चिली इन योर फूड. फिर आपको क्या चाहिए? यू रिक्वायर्ड चिली इन योर फूड. मिर्ची चाहिए होती है. मिर्ची से क्या होगा? दैट तीखा वाला फ्लेवर जो होता है दैट विल बी मेंटेन्ड इन योर फूड. आपके फूड में वो तीखा वाला फ्लेवर मेंटेन रहेगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट दैट वी विल बी गेटिंग फ्रॉम चिलीज. सो वी हैव डन डिफरेंट स्पाइसेस. फर्स्ट वन इज you all will repeat after me. What is that first? That is cinnamon. Cinnamon is what is the Hindi name? That is dalchini. Number 2 is saffron. Usko what is the other name? That is kesar also. Number 3 that is cardamom, or that is called ilaichi in Hindi. Now number 4 that is cumin, and cumin seeds just now we have seen our PPT. Number 5 is turmeric, that is haldi. Now haldi we can take in our different dishes. Number 6 is chilies. We are getting different kind of chili, red, yellow, green, and different kind of chilies we are getting, and we were using that different kind of a chili according to our requirement. Whatever our requirement will be there. हमें थोड़ा सा तीखा करना है, देन वी आर यूजिंग लेस स्पाइस, लेस चिलीज. हमें ज़्यादा उसको तीखा करना है, देन वी आर यूजिंग मोर एंड मोर स्पाइसेस. इन दैट वी आर यूजिंग रेड चिली ऑल्सो, रेड चिली पाउडर ऑल्सो, एंड ग्रीन चिलीज ऑल्सो. इवन वी वर यूजिंग ब्लैक पेपर ऑल्सो, विच इज अ काइंड ऑफ ए चिली ओनली. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम फ्लेवरिंग फूड, नाउ स्पाइसेस, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट यूजेस ऑफ स्पाइसेस? स्पाइसेस का और क्या यूज है? अभी मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बिगिनिंग में बताया था दैट स्पाइसेस विल प्रोवाइड यू फ्लेवर. तो दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग ओनली. अपार्ट फ्रॉम प्रोवाइडिंग फ्लेवर इन अ फूड, spices have been traditionally used to cure various illness. As I was talking about that we must drink haldi wala milk 1 glass every day, so that it will make your body strong, immunity strong. So just like that, they are quite useful for curing various illness. Now what are the various illness? Like they'll make your body strong. For example, now tamarind. What is tamarind? Tamarind means इमली होती है. इमली का क्या यूसेज है? Now tamarind is which is found inside the fruit. Tamarind is find it out inside the fruit of tamarind plant. Is used for curing stomach pain. Stomach में अगर दर्द हो रहा है, if you'll take tamarind, then that pain will be cured. Now the second thing is cloves. Cloves मतलब लौंग बोलते हैं. That is very good for our वेरी गुड फॉर आवर टीथ. इफ यू हैव अ टूथएक, दांत पे दर्द है, कुछ भी है, then if you will take that one clove, then your toothache can be cured. So these are the different benefits of all these spices. Toothache है तो you can eat long and that toothache can be cured. And different spices में मैंने आपको बताया how turmeric is working like antibiotic, वो भी मैंने आपको बता दिया. And along with that मैंने आपको बताया what that tamarind, मतलब इमली, अगर किसी के पेट पे दर्द है, if they will eat that tamarind, तो उनका वो क्या हो जाएगा, दर्द क्या हो जाएगा, गायब हो जाएगा. So here we have done different spices from your GK book. So children, that's all for today. Now we will meet in our next class. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.